Good morning, children. This is Archana teacher, and this is your EVS subject. Okay, this is GK book, page number 16, Sound of Animal. And today's animal is crow. Today's bird is crow. What sound does a crow make? Okay, a crow cows. Okay, a crow cows. CAWS cows. Okay, children, so our today's bird is crow. So write with today's date. Today's date is 8th December 12 standing line 2021. Okay, let us start. A cursive capital ACROW crow, and crow sound is cows. CAWS full stop. Cows. Okay. A crow. CROW crow. CAWS crows. Cows. A crow. CROW crow. Cows. CAWS cows. A crow. CROW crow. ओके कंप्लीट W. ओके W आपको ऐसे ही कंप्लीट करना है. देन काउज CAW फिनिश देन S फुल स्टॉप. ओके अ क्रो काउज. अ क्रो काउज. CAWS cows. अ crow. CROW crow. Cows. CAWS cows. Full stop. Okay, like this you have to write in your EVS notebook. While writing, say loudly and properly. Okay, children, bye.